So, hello guys, Namaste YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is the kitchen. So, in this particular episode, we are going to be talking about the Barkbusters VPS Handguard kit, a little bit about the product and the installation about the same, and kind of an unboxing you can say. So, yeah, I hope this video turns out helpful and I hope you like this video. So, without any further ado, let's kick in and let's get going. So here they are, the VPS handguard kit and the aluminum backbone. This is specifically for Royal Enfield Himalayan along with 390 Adventure and Yamaha XT660R. So I ordered the specific one because it fits really well. So firstly, let's get done with the unboxing and then we will talk a little more in detail about the products and the installation. So these are the handguards, these are the deflectors, some screws to fit them on, and a keychain. Nice. Now let's get out the big bad boy. Alright, so this is it, the structure that is the complete game changer for the Barkbusters and which makes them the best product ever. The aluminum backbone, and the fittings for the same with an instruction manual. So the company Barkbusters is an Australian based company and each and every product is made in Australia. The kit that I ordered is an VPS kit. I don't know if the GoPro can read this. This is an VPS kit. VPS stands for variable protection system, which means you can adjust the height of the handguards with the help of deflectors, which fits in like this. Also, the best thing about this is when riding in summers you can remove the deflectors for maximum airflow through the handguards, and during monsoons or winters you can add the deflectors to reduce the airflow or the rain to get in towards your hand. That is kind of nice. And the best thing is deflector has 2 adjustments as per the need. Now let's talk about the backbone, which is the game changer and which makes the Barkbusters the best possible handguards. So it's made of heat treated aluminum, which is the best in its class and has the maximum rigidity and strength compared to the regular aluminum. The impact protection and the rigidity of these are just too damn good. There are sellers in market selling kind of copies of this thing for like 1500-1800 bucks and assuring the customers that the aluminum backbone that they provide is almost the same like the Barkbusters, which is not at all true compared to the Barkbusters. That backbone has the strength of like hardly 10%. So I would strongly suggest you to save your money rather than buying those cheap fake ones. Now about the installation. The Barkbusters make specific product for almost all good decent bikes. At the end there is also an universal one, but I won't suggest you to go for that because the cables and the handlebar, this one is specifically made for the Royal Enfield Himalayans handlebar and the cables, so they won't get stuck or anything like that while installing this. And the specific one is the best one I think for utility compared to the universal one. So now let's get going for the installation. The bike is at the Pitlane workshop for the new project that has been going on, so we are just gonna go there, and almost the bike's work is done. So yeah, let's go. So we are over here at the Pitlane. This is where almost all of the work has been done for the bike. Now we will just install the Barkbusters and we are ready to go. So yeah. So the stock bolt gets out, and the one provided with the Barkbusters, this is gonna go in. So once done with the backbone installation, the VPS plastic guards fits in really easily. Just place it and tighten the 2 screws and it is done. Same process for this side. Firstly remove the stock bolt, put in the backbone, then the bolt that comes along with the Barkbusters, that goes in because this bolt won't fit. By the way, that's Dumpy bike. Hi. This is his workshop. I will be giving in all the details for his workshop. Almost all of the work has been done over here. Almost all. So I will be giving in the description. एक साथ टाइट करना, भी मत करो, लूज ही रखो भी थोड़ा. Tighten each and every bolt at the same time. Do not tighten it all the way initially. Put in the bolts firstly and then we will tighten it. The installation is without a doubt a piece of cake work. No rocket science, nothing. Everything goes in really easily. What else I said?
पहले ये वाला लगाओ तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली अंदर बैठ जाएगा. Perfect. Just place the VPS guards on the backbone and tighten them screws. This is that easy. कितना भैया 5 मिनट लगा के बिठाने के लिए पूरा?
5 मिनट 5 मिनट लगा.
Yes. That is it. It is done. Now just gonna adjust it as per the requirement and we are good to go. Yep. That's our snow wolf. Cheers.